You looking for? What are you looking for? You looking for a monster? I don't think there's one down there. You mean the monster in the closet? Not that closet. No. You're silly. It came from the other closet. Hi, Jessie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Jessie Bum. Is that Jessie wiggling in the car? Oh, she's getting so excited she's going to scooch down. Jessie. Oh, nice toes. Uh-oh. Does she have her toes?